Let's learn 5 words. Ache, ache. Notice the CH. We don't say H. We say ache, k, ache.
I have an ache in my shoulder. I have an ache in my shoulder. I have an ache in my shoulder.
Stomach ache, stomach ache, stomach ache.
He has a stomach ache. He has a stomach ache. He has a stomach ache.
Backache, backache.
She has a backache. She has a backache. She has a backache.
Headache, headache, headache.
I have a terrible headache. I have a terrible headache. I have a terrible headache.
Toothache, toothache, toothache.
They have a toothache. They have a toothache. They have a toothache. Ache, ache. Stomach ache, stomach ache. Backache, backache. Headache, headache. Toothache, toothache.
Can you tell me what's wrong with this woman here?
Can you make a word that ends with ache? Her neck hurts, so you could say that she has a... Write it in the comment section. She has a... If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.